Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of delete account on Snapchat. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of delete account on Snapchat, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will enter to the window or to the app of Snapchat and you click. Here in this page of app info, you will click on force stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching and your attention.